Indian indices ended in positive territory amid volatile trade. Indian indices ended in positive territory amid volatile trade witnessed on June 10 with Nifty above 10,100 level. At close, the Sensex was up 290.36 points or 0.86% at 34,247.05, and the Nifty was up 69.50 points or 0.69% at 10,116.20. About 1,503 shares have advanced, 1,005 shares declined, and 155 shares are unchanged. IndusInd Bank, Hindalco Industries, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Shree Cements and Reliance Industries were among major gainers on the Nifty, while losers were Hero MotoCorp, GAIL, Coal India, Bajaj Auto, and Tata Steel. Among sectors, auto and metal indices ended lower, while Nifty PSU Bank Index rose 3.5% followed by IT, Infra, Pharma and Energy. Hero MotoCorp Q4 results, net profit drops 15% year to 621 crore, announces 25 rupees dividend. Hero MotoCorp on Tuesday posted a crore for the quarter ended March 31st. It had reported a net profit of 730.32 crore in the 15% year-on-year drop in net profit at 620 rupees and 71 paise corresponding quarter last year. Analysts in an ET Now poll had projected a net profit of 520 crore. Revenue of the company declined 20.88% year to 6,238.39 crore in Q4 FY20. The two-wheeler major sold 13.23 lakh units during the quarter under review, down 25.71% against 17.81 lakh units in the same period last year. The board also recommended a final dividend of 25 rupees equity share for the financial year 2019-20. Pawan Munjal, Chairman and CEO, Hero MotoCorp said, "While the COVID-19 pandemic has pushed several timelines, we have successfully navigated through the unprecedented times with business continuity. As we now rapidly scale up operations post the lockdown, it will be critical that the industry receives support from all quarters. As businesses and governments continue to learn and adapt to this evolving situation, strategic measures are needed to rapidly boost the customer sentiment and bring vitality to the market through focused economic measures," he added. Mitul Shah, Vice President Research, Reliance Securities said, Hero MotoCorp delivered disappointing performance in Q4 FY20 primarily on margins front, mainly due to COVID-led nationwide lockdown towards the end of the quarter. "We believe that social distancing and a better placed rural economy would help the two-wheeler industry and Hero MotoCorp going forward." Godrej Consumer Buzz Godrej Consumer share price was down over 4% on June 10 after Vivek Gambhir resigned as MD and CEO of the company. Nishaba Godrej, currently the executive chairperson of the company, will take over the role of Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the company with effect from July 1, 2020. Bharti Airtel to restart stake sale in Bharti Infra. Bharti Airtel to restart Bharti Infratel stake sale talks after Indus Towers deal closure. Bharti Airtel is going to appoint iBankers, legal advisors to conduct valuation exercises for stake. Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea seek to sell stake in Bharti Infratel to raise capital, quoting source, reported CNBC TV 18. Manappuram Finance to raise up to 250 crore via debentures in a regulatory filing. Manappuram Finance informed stock exchanges that the Financial Resources and Management Committee of its Board of Directors has approved the issuance of the private placement of rated, secured, redeemable non-convertible debentures up to 250 crore. SBI to hold virtual annual general meeting on June 17. The country's largest lender, State Bank of India, SBI, on Wednesday said it will hold its annual general meeting on June 17 through video conferencing mode. In April, Ministry of Corporate Affairs (MCA) and Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) had allowed companies to conduct their annual general meeting (AGM) through video conferencing or other audio-visual means during this year due to COVID-19 restrictions. Revival case for commercial vehicles in India is very poor. The revival case for commercial vehicles in India is very poor at this stage. Many trucks are lying idle. Industrial revival will take a long time to reach full capacity and general demand in the economy is low. The next many quarters could see continuous monthly declines. Sandeep Sabharwal, investment advisor HPCL delays $3 billion Vizag refinery expansion. Hindustan Petroleum Corp Limited has pushed back the completion of $1 billion expansion at its southeastern Vizag refinery to at least October to November due to a labor shortage and the onset of monsoon, a company source said. The state-run refiner had initially planned to complete the 209.28 billion rupee $2.77 billion expansion, which will nearly double the capacity of its coastal plant to 3 lakh barrels per day (BPD) in July. Source: Reuters. Dwarikesh Sugar Q4. The company in the Q4 FY20 reported 37% year jump in net profit at 44.26 crore against 32.34 crore and revenue from operation was up 118% at 461.7 crore versus 211.22 crore.